I would like to introduce a lady, very courageous lady who's into multiple business, but her work has a lot of appreciation for quality, and I really like her finickiness when it comes to making sure her product is the best. Whatever clients I have directed them to her, they have given great feedback about her. Her clothes are known all over the world. She is a well-known fashion designer, psychologist, trainer, cook, mom, so many things. So I think I would like to, you recorded all this. I would like to welcome Ms. Fariha over here. She heads the Purple Group. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. This is Fariha Zia. Congratulations for Justel and Happy Independence Day. This is really very cool and nice. We are interacting with great people today after a long shutdown due to COVID. And the minute I've heard all of you all make sense, brilliant, because we haven't heard people in so many days. And I have faced a lot of challenges in sustaining my work as a designer. Then I realized when one gate closes, the other opens. So what I did, why was I in this field as a designer? Because I realized कि as an Indian or anybody, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, जब हम खुश होते हैं, what do? We express our happiness through our clothes. और हिंदुस्तानी होने के नाते तो हम अपने लिबास से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, ना सिर्फ हमारा फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस या जो भी whatever look we want, we are stylish, we are gorgeous or we are trendy. तो I think बिना कुछ बात करे भी हमारा लिबास काफ़ी कुछ हमारे बारे में बोल देता है. तो अब जब कोविड आ गया तो everybody became very careful in their spending. Now how do we survive? The thing is, employees, uniforms, medical scrubs. Then I realized कि doctors को भी एक customized, personalized medical scrubs की ज़रूरत है. And that's how I entered. And I did a lot of medical scrubs and uniforms for corporates and hospitals. And very genuine and good and great feedback that I feel very good when I receive such feedbacks from Zia and other clients. Please connect me with people who are looking for uniforms for their employees. Please connect me with colleges or hospital industry if they want their customized uniforms made from the standard fabric, keeping in mind कि अगर आपको राइट कट और राइट फिट दिया जाएगा एंड यू बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट, उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे एज एन एम्प्लॉय? आप माइनर डिटेल्स पे ज़रूर फोकस करोगे एंड इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर कंपनी एज वेल एज फॉर एम्प्लॉय. एंड इवन सर, अगर स्कूल खुलते हैं तो आई वुड लव टू कनेक्ट विद DAV or any other institution who needs a uniform, trying to make it very economical. And once again, thank you, Zia.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome a person who